The final chapter of the iconic R35 generation of the Nissan GT-R is drawing to a close with the release of two exclusive special editions, the 2024 Nissan GT-R T-spec Takumi edition and the Skyline edition. These limited production models pay tribute to the legendary performance vehicle that has been a staple of the Nissan lineup since its debut in 2007. After captivating fans and thrilling drivers for over 17 years, production of the GT-R for the North American market will come to an end in October. Throughout its lifespan, the R35 GT-R has delivered unparalleled performance and excitement at a price point that outshines many supercars, making it a favorite among automotive enthusiasts in the U.S. The 2024 Nissan GT-R T-spec Takumi Edition and Skyline Edition are both impressive models that boast a powerful hand-assembled 3.8-liter V6 engine. This engine, equipped with 24 valves and twin turbochargers, delivers a remarkable 565 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque, making for an exhilarating driving experience. One standout feature of these editions is the standard titanium exhaust system, which not only enhances the overall performance of the GT-R, but also adds a unique touch of sophistication. The GT-R's performance is further enhanced by its ATISA ETS all-wheel drive system, which can adjust the front-to-rear torque split to optimize driving dynamics in any scenario. The standard 6-speed dual-clutch transaxle, rear-mounted for optimal weight distribution, offers lightning-fast shifts and manual control via steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. The GT-R's dynamic ride and handling are finely tuned by its independent double wishbone front and independent multi-link rear suspensions, which work in conjunction with Bilstein Damptronic shock absorbers, offering 3 driver-selectable settings: Normal, Comfort, and R. These settings allow drivers to tailor the GT-R's performance to their preferences, combining comfort with the razor-sharp handling that the GT-R is renowned for. In a nod to the skilled craftsmanship that goes into every Nissan GT-R engine, the 2024 Nissan GT-R T-spec Takumi Edition pays tribute to the Takumi master craftspeople who meticulously hand-assemble each engine. These talented individuals are recognized with a special red-etched engine badge and a gold VIN plate in the engine bay, showcasing the elevated precision and attention to detail that goes into every engine. The stunning midnight purple paint job of the T-spec Takumi Edition is a nod to the iconic special editions of the Skyline GT-R line, making it a standout on the road. The interior trim is also exclusive to this edition, finished in a sophisticated Mori green that adds a touch of luxury to the cabin. In addition to its unique design elements, the T-spec Takumi Edition also boasts mechanical enhancements that set it apart from the standard GT-R. With GT-R Nismo carbon ceramic brakes, gold-painted raised 20-inch forged wheels, Nismo-tuned vehicle dynamic control, and wider front fenders, this edition offers a thrilling driving experience that is sure to impress even the most discerning car enthusiasts. The GT-R Skyline Edition is making waves in the U.S. by bringing the iconic name from overseas and paying homage to the breathtaking skylines of Japan. This limited edition model, based on the GT-R Premium, is truly a sight to behold, with its striking Bayside blue exterior paint and luxurious Sora blue interior color scheme. Bayside blue, a color that was once a beloved staple in the GT-R's color palette, was last seen on the R34 generation GT-R before being brought back for the 50th anniversary edition in 2019. The revival of this iconic color adds a touch of nostalgia to the already impressive GT-R Skyline Edition. As you cruise in this stunning vehicle, you can't help but be reminded of the unforgettable scenery that inspired its design. From the towering skyscrapers of Tokyo to the serene mountains of Kyoto, the GT-R Skyline Edition captures the essence of Japan's diverse and picturesque landscapes. Whether you're a die-hard GT-R fan or simply appreciate the beauty of a well-crafted automobile, The GTR Skyline Edition is sure to leave a lasting impression. Its combination of sleek design, powerful performance, and nods to Japanese culture make it a truly unforgettable driving experience. So, buckle up and get ready to reflect on the awe-inspiring scenery that inspired this one-of-a-kind vehicle. After more than 17 years of captivating fans and thrilling drivers, the iconic GTR production for the North American market will officially come to an end in October. The R35 GTR has been a true powerhouse, offering supercar-level performance at a fraction of the cost, captivating a new generation of automotive enthusiasts and leaving competitors in the dust on the racetrack. To bid farewell to this legendary model, Nissan is releasing special limited editions for the 2024 GTR lineup. The T-spec Takumi edition will be priced at $151,090, while the Skyline edition will start at $131,090. These exclusive models are set to hit select U.S. Nissan dealerships this summer, with only a limited number of units available, adding a touch of rarity and prestige to the GTR's exit from the market. While the R35 GTR may be coming to a close, Nissan is already looking towards the future and the next chapter in performance innovation. The company is dedicated to pushing boundaries and exploring new possibilities in the world of high-performance vehicles, setting the stage for an exciting new era of automotive excellence. As the sun sets on the GTR, a new dawn approaches for Nissan, and the promise of even more thrilling advancements in the world of sports cars.